life, different stories, different strife, but something brought us here tonight. A shared belief, a guiding light, learning how to lead with grace, building trust from place to place. One vision shining through the night, calling us to something bright. Big, bold, beautiful dream, stronger than it first may seem, built on honesty and trust, doing what is right and just. Big, bold, beautiful dream, growing stronger as a team, heart to heart and hand in hand. Together we rise, together we stand. Integrity in all we do, keeping every promise true. Open minds and willing hearts, that is where each journey starts. Positive through highs and lows, planting seeds that someday grow. Thinking bigger than ourselves, creating value that endures. Big, bold, beautiful dream, stronger than it first may seem, built on honesty and trust, doing what is right and just. Big, bold, beautiful dream, growing stronger as a team, heart to heart and hand, together we rise, together we stand. When challenges appear in sight, we choose courage over fright. When the road becomes unclear, we keep moving without fear. Respect and kindness light the way, helping others every day. The greatest victories are won when many hearts move on as one. Big, bold, beautiful dream, now it's more than just a theme, built through action, built to last, learning from both future and past. Big, bold, beautiful dream, a vision greater than it seems, with hope, purpose and esteem, we're living the big